Students, today we will do workbook exercise. So this is your workbook. Open page number 18. Today we will do S4, formation of soil. Students, first write here date. Today's date is 22 January 2021 and the day is Friday. Okay students. Now today we will do workbook exercise S4, that is formation of soil, means how soil formed. Students, we already studied about uses of soil and what are the layers of soil, and soil have water, air. Today we will do, yes, formation of soil, means how soil formed. Soil can form due to wind, rain, yes, heat and cold. Okay students, come to question number 1. Write number 1 to 4 in the blanks to show the correct order of formation of soil. Okay beta, so you have to write the numbers. आपको क्या करना है बेटा, इसमें numbers लिखने हैं. So yes, number 1 picture is this, because rain is falling on the rocks. So write here stage 1. Then after raining, rocks start breaking. These granules open up. Yes, ये granules आपको दूर दूर दिखाई दे रहे हैं ना. How? Because rocks are start breaking. So write here stage 2. Then stage 3. Small plants can grow on, yes, broken rocks. So that is stage 3. Then stage 4. Plants can grow and layers of soil can form. Okay students. So these are the stages of formation of soil. Question number 2. How soil is formed? Explain. So write with me. The rocks break due to rain, wind, heat and cold. Okay, rocks break हुई. Then what will happen after the small breaking of rocks? What will happen? Some plants will grow. Some plant grow on these pieces. These, like in this picture. Okay, some plants can grow in these broken rocks. Grow on these pieces. Okay beta. Then the rocks break further. Then the rocks break further, and then what will happen? More plants grow on them. Okay, and the rocks break more, and finally the soil is formed. Okay, then we will see layers of soil. Okay students. Question number 3. The top layer of soil get washed away due to heavy rain. Why it is important to save it? Students, there is an important point that you have to plant trees, because trees roots can bind up the soil granules and cannot move the soil. Soil को move नहीं करने देते. जो trees की roots होती हैं वो bind करके रखती हैं. And if there are no tree, what will happen? The layer of soil can moved. Okay, and we all know top layer is a humus layer, and that is more fertile, and that can help to grow, grow the plants. So what will happen? If the humus flushed out, then less trees can grow. So students, you have to, yes, plant the trees. And write with me. It takes many years for soil to form. Many years soil to form? Rocks, yes, this process needs many years to complete. And then what will happen? If we do not save its top layer, if we do not save its top layer, which is more fertile, will get flushed will get washed away. ठीक है. Many years soil can forming in many years. Okay, and if we do not save its top layer, which is humus, which is more fertile, yes, will get flushed away and plants will not grow properly. Okay beta, humus nutrients can washed, okay, and move from one place to another, and plants will not grow properly. Okay, so do this workbook exercise. We will meet in the next class.